Hello everyone! Few days ago we made a video on the best study timetable for students and that video got a huge response through views and comments. But that timetable is not suitable for everyone because every student has different school timings. So to help all of you today in this video we are going to give you the best study timetable which will be applicable for everyone. So let's get started. Preschool timetable. Wake up at least 2 hours before going to school. First, wake up and make your bed. After that, do some exercise like push-ups, sit-ups, squats, etc. After that, prepare a basic timetable and write down all the activities you wish to complete during the day. After that, get ready and do the breakfast and go to school. During the school hours, after going to school, give your 100% and pay attention to what teacher is telling you. Take good notes and stay hydrated during the lectures. Also, eat your lunch during the recess period. Staying hydrated and consuming lunch will help you to maintain your productivity level. Once your school gets over, directly come to the home instead of wandering around with your friends. Post-school timetable. After coming home, change your clothes and wash your face, hands and legs thoroughly. After doing that, spend half an hour on social media or chat with your friends or watch television. After that, start practicing mathematics for half an hour. After solving math, take a break of 1 hour and in that span go out and play some games or do exercises or take a walk in the park. After coming home, wash yourself and sit for studying for 1.5 hours. In that span, try to complete the theory topics and difficult chapters you wish to complete. If you want, you can also spend some time doing mathematics. After that, take a break of 10 to 15 minutes and spend some time with your family or do meditation for that much time. Once done, allot 15 to 20 minutes for watching YouTube videos related to your curriculum. After that, sit for studying for half an hour. Once done, take a break and have dinner. Before going to bed, spend half an hour revising all the information that you have studied during the day. Studying before going to bed is very much effective because while you sleep, your information gets transferred from short-term memory to long-term memory. So, use this time effectively. Also, spend some time on preparing a schedule of what all tasks you have to complete the next day. Doing this will give you a clarity of what all things you have to do the next day. So, these were the best study timetable for school and college students. Take a screenshot of this slide and apply these timetable in your life if you wish to score good marks in the exam. Thank you.